Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalatu wassalamu ala Rasulil Kareem. I would like to welcome all the faculty members at Northern Border University in the next tutorial for how to create an announcement for your respective students. So as we learned in the first tutorial that how to log into your Blackboard account. So you need to go to your website lms.nbu.edu.sa. Then you will have a login screen, and since you are an English speaker, so you need to change your interface from left to right. How to change the interface? On the top left side of your screen you will have a globe icon. Just take your cursor over globe icon, and then you have English as as your option. Select English, and you will see that your interface has been redirected from left to right. So in username, as we know, we have to enter your Iqama ID without the first digit. That means you will remove the first digit of your Iqama ID, then the remaining number will be your username. And the password is the same as your username if you have never changed the password. If you have changed the password, and you are unable to log into the Blackboard account, just you need to click here to make a request to reset your password. Since this session is about how to create an announcement, so let me log into my account on Blackboard. Once I log into my account on Blackboard, I will see the home page of my account. So basically you don't do a lot of things at home page. If you are a beginner, you just need to go to courses, choose the course where you would like to create an announcement for your students. For example, for me, I have one course here which is called Blackboard Online Training Course. I log on to this course. Once I log on to this course, then I have a tab on my left side. This entire part of the screen is called course menu. I repeat, the entire part that is a left side panel with a white background is called as course menu. Sometimes this course menu gets auto hide. I'll show you how it gets hide off. Okay, see, when I take my cursor at the border line, you have an icon popped up. You just click over here, the screen gets expanded, and you will have a full screen view for your work area. If this is done by mistake from your side and you would like to see the screen the course menu again, you have to come here and click on this arrow mark. If you click on the arrow, then your course menu will become available to you again. So now, since we are dealing with how to create an announcement, I'll take you to the announcement module. You click on announcements. You see on your right hand side you will have a new screen. So there is already an announcement which I have created before, and if this announcement is not in use anymore, you can delete it. How to delete the announcement? Just next to the announcement there is a drop down menu. You need to click on it, and if you want to delete, you can delete. If you want to make modification, you can edit. Suppose, just to show you, I would like to delete this announcement and create a new announcement. It will ask for confirmation. Please do confirm if you need to delete it. Now, how to create the announcement? You have a tab called create announcement. Click on this tab. It says the title of the announcement. What is the subject of the announcement? For example, for me, I would like to create an announcement saying that we have scheduled a virtual class for all the students belonging to this course on a specific date at a specific time. So what I'll write here is virtual class schedule. Let me keep it in caps. Virtual class schedule on 11th of March 2020 at 10 a.m. So this is a title of your announcement, or you could say a subject for your announcement. If you like to have a description or a message, you can type your message here. For example, dear student, we have scheduled an online session for you at the provided time slot, and your attendance is mandatory. Kindly be advised to attend the virtual class, or you could say online class. So this is how you create an announcement, and then you click submit. Immediately the announcement will be received by all your students. Okay, so this is one part of your training session on Blackboard, which is called on how to create an announcement. I hope you have understood the entire tutorial for creating an announcement, and wish you all the best to create your announcements inside your courses. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. Assalamu alaikum.